Hello and welcome, and in this video I'm going to be unboxing the Inno portable wireless Bluetooth speaker. Now as you can see, this is a 5-watt Bluetooth wireless speaker. This is the packaging. These are some of the colors that it comes in, and it says wireless. It says playing time of 3 to 4 hours. It plays USB storage devices. It's got a mic for hands-free phone call function, and it's splash proof. And what else do we have? It says it works with your iPad, a phone, an iPod, and a PC. And we'll do another video showing you how to actually pair this and set this up. So let's just go ahead and open this. So the packaging kind of slides out. Comes in a white box, and there you go. As they've shown over here, this is the orange variant, and this is the orange size color. So in the packaging, in the box, you get a charging cable, and you get the Bluetooth speaker. Now the Bluetooth speaker, this is what it looks like. It comes with this mesh, sort of a fabric design around it. On the top you have your buttons. So you've got your power button, there's a mode button, play, pause, and the volume up, volume down. If you remove this little flap over here, you can see this is where you have all your input ports. So there's your charging cable port, there's a switch to turn it on, there's a USB, and there's a little slot for a micro SD card. So there you have it, folks. So there you are, folks. That was the unboxing of the Inno portable wireless Bluetooth speaker. We hope you found this video useful. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.